So guys, we had the first presidential head-to-head debate last night, and hence why we've seen a bit of reaction in the markets. Trump and Biden going at it. It's actually quite comical. Parts of this are worth watching. So just FYI, obviously Trump would be seen as more stocks positive, Biden would be more stocks negative. The reason being Trump's more pro-business, and it's just uncertainty if a new leader is coming in, because people are somewhat unaware of how his policies would be, so on and so forth. Would they be business friendly, economy friendly, this, that and the other? It's just uncertainty when a new political leader is coming in. And that trade I took, that Dow Jones, just on the hourly, I saw a nice rejection in this sort of high area. Yeah, so it's the top area for both Monday and Tuesday, as you can see. Saw a nice rejection there on the hourly, waited for that, and then upon the closure, I jumped right in on that closure of that candle and enjoyed a 200 point ride to the downside and just took my profits.